Hi, my name is Audrey Dill, and I'm a UPIC intern at Student Affairs Creative Services. Basically what I do is work on different campaigns for different departments for Division of Student Affairs, like CSLE, CCPD, Campus Rec, different departments like that under the Division of Student Affairs. We've been working on Fall Family Weekend campaign, also working with the Career Fair and Welcome Week, so we've been working with CSLE on that. We also do logos for various people. I've been doing a lot of video stuff. I've learned how to animate. We've been doing TikToks. So it's really been a lot more than just doing design. There's also another design intern that I work with, and we collaborate on various projects. This internship has really helped me get real work experience and being able to work together in a team setting, as well as independently, and getting exposure to work I would actually be doing in my career. I'm working with clients, I'm working with my bosses to present the best possible graphics. It's been really interesting. I've learned to animate. I've learned even more in Photoshop and Illustrator, so it really does broaden your skills being able to work as a UPIC intern, and it's super beneficial. It's just really good experience to have. I would recommend a UPIC internship. It's very fun. It's right on campus. It's not far. I've been able to stay in Clemson all summer, so it's been good.